Hello lovelies, this is just Noble Craft. Today I'll be showing you how to attach a cloth stone to a dress, just like you can see. But before we start, let me encourage you from the word. Exodus 33 verse 14, the Lord replied, "My presence will go with you and I'll give you rest." Praise the Lord. So going forward, this is our Ankara jacket. It's a kimono jacket. So you need your cloth stone, you need a fishing line of 0.25 mil or any thread of your choice, then your needle. So I've threaded my fishing line in my needle. This is how you start, because I don't want the needle to show at the back of this dress. I want it to have a perfect and neat finishing. The cloth stone has 4 sides. So first of all, you put it on one side, like on 2 sides rather, just as you can see. Then be carefully go back into the fabric, because I don't want it to come out through the lining. So you put it on the other 2 sides. Like you have to put your thread, like make sure you run your thread, your stitch through the 4 sides as many times as you want. Then come back like through the under the the clothes, the dress, and continue. Make sure it doesn't touch the lining, so make sure it doesn't come out through the lining rather. So it's self-explanatory. Keep watching. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you so far for the support. So this is how we're going to end out or tighten our stitch. You cut out the needle and tie as many times as possible to secure it. Then you cut it out with your scissors. So like I said, to have a neat finishing, make sure that the thread doesn't show at the other side, that's the lining side. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.